Hi guys, just want to share a couple of stuff with you that I have. I actually have these on for sale on eBay. Currently, I think there's still about 5 days left of the listing. Now, the first thing I want to show is this 200 gold Mohar Shah Jahan coin. This one obviously isn't gold, but we'll come to that. There's a very interesting story behind this. Now, this coin was made by the Royal Emperor Shah Jahan. Was used, I think he used 200 gold Mohar to build this coin, which was known to be one of the largest coins in the world, in fact. Now, this one, I believe, is made from copper. Let me just show you the reverse side. There we are. Now, basically, what had happened was at the time, I think there's a date on this even, which is still, it's an exact copy, which you have the date there, which is 1064, which in AD works to be 1654, I think, approximately 1654. Now, there was a person from Britain, from the UK, called Captain Peter something, Pagan or something, Captain Peter Pagan, I think his name was, and he went into India and he was given the actual gold coin, Now he brought that back into the UK, and then he actually made some identical copies. He only made, I think, only a handful of identical copies, and however, they were made from lead and copper. Now, this is the coin that I have. As you can see, I've got some pound coin. I've got pound coin, 2p coin, and a 20p coin, which you can see the size difference. But I think it's amazing. It's solid, very lovely made. The intricate detail on there is just amazing. I think this was a lovely piece that was made. The thickness of that is just fantastic. It's very heavy as well. Now, what was it? Captain Peter, he was given this, I think, in the 1700s, mid 1700s, I think it was. And the last time the gold one was ever seen was at the Hunterian Museum in Edinburgh. Now, in the late 1700s, after that, no one has ever seen the coin. I don't know, nobody knows what has happened to the coin, whether if it was melted down and used for other stuff, no one knows. However, this piece of coin that I have here, I believe it's, no matter what somebody says, I think it's amazing. Obviously, it's not gold. I would have liked it to be gold. In fact, if it was gold, then today it would probably be worth millions and millions of pounds. But obviously, this one isn't gold. It's just the exact copy of the original. And that's all I can say about this. Amazing. Now, the other piece that I just wanted to show you, I thought it was amazing, that I would like to share with you, is this bracelet. That, if I can just try focusing. Now, this, obviously you can see that coin there, that's made by, it was from King Akbar the Great, again the Mughal Emperor. I think the third Mughal Emperor. His coin, I think that's a rupee or maybe half a rupee. And then over here, this is built up with 15 coins. I believe this was made also in the UK. Now, on one of the coins, there is actually a hallmark, not a hallmark, but a maker's mark. I think it's on the reverse side of one of these coins, if I can find. There we are. I don't know if you can see it. It's just a tiny piece there, which you can't really see on camera. You need a magnifying glass. It basically reads HM. No, it doesn't. HME-S. That's what it shows. I think it's a lovely piece of bracelet which I wanted to share, which I also have on eBay. Again, this also has about good 5 days left of the listing, and this is the piece where you can open it, which I'll find difficult to try and open with one hand, but I can try. It's pretty neat though. I think it's amazing. The rest of the coins, I believe they are probably Persian, they're from Persia, or maybe the Durrani Empire, which was the from the Afghan Empire maybe. But most of them, they look to me as being from the Persian or the Safavid Empire. But even so, it's a one hell of an amazing piece of bracelet, built with 15 coins. What more can you say? It's just fantastic. Look at that, beautiful. Calligraphy on there is amazing. And guys, just let me know what you think, and just if you can comment, I would really appreciate that. The only reason for me showing these was because when I had listed them on eBay, many of the guys that are watching the listing are wanting to see an actual, you see, with on images you can't see it doesn't give an accurate picture of a sort, and on video I think you can see a bit more. But yeah, just let me know what you think. Thank you.